It was a cold afternoon, one of those days that makes you want to go back home just to smell the warmth of food cooking in the kitchen. And that's when I remembered the soup my Greek grandmother used to make. Simple, aromatic, and full of soul. Today, I'm going to show you how she made this red lentil soup, just the way that always brought a smile to my face.
She used things everyone has at home, like a large chopped onion,
3 garlic cloves, 2 finely chopped carrots, and that extra virgin olive oil that brings all of the flavor. I used early harvest, which is amazing. The spices? Let's start with 3 teaspoons of dried oregano,
1.5 teaspoons of cumin,
1 teaspoon of rosemary, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 bay leaves that give everything a unique aroma. To give it that special touch, 1 cup of peeled tomatoes, 7 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth, 2 cups of red lentils, rinsed and drained, and to finish it off, zest of 1 lemon and juice of 2 lemons, plus kosher salt to taste and fresh parsley for garnish. And if you like, some crumbled feta cheese that makes all the difference. Now let me show you how I make it step by step to get this soup just right. First, I sauté the onion and garlic in olive oil until they turn golden and release that soul-warming aroma. Next, I add the chopped carrots along with the spices, oregano, cumin, rosemary, red pepper flakes, and bay leaves to release that delicious aroma. Then I add the peeled tomatoes to give it that special tang and texture. Once everything is well combined, I pour in the vegetable broth and the washed red lentils. Now just let it cook for about 30 minutes until the lentils are tender and the soup becomes nice and creamy. Finally, I season with kosher salt to taste and finish with the lemon zest and juice, stirring well to bring out all that fresh flavor. To serve, I garnish with fresh parsley and, if you'd like, a bit of crumbled feta to add that special touch. And there it is, a soup that warms you and carries the flavor of Greek tradition. Transform your routine with the Mediterranean Health Plan. Simple, natural, and deliciously balanced habits to care for your health effortlessly. Discover it now. Click the link below.